What's up, everybody? It's your boy, Mr. Beast. Well, not really, but you get the idea. We're talking about YouTube today and how to absolutely crush it in 2025. Think about it. AI tools, YouTube Shorts blowing up, new trends popping off every second. There's never been a better time to dive in. And listen, I'm not just gonna hit you with some wishy-washy advice, we're going deep on this one. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start your channel, how to get it in front of a massive audience, and how to turn those views into some serious cash. You down? Let's do this thing. Want to become a successful YouTuber in 2025? With AI tools, YouTube Shorts, and new trends, there's never been a better time to start. In this video, I'll show you how to start, grow, and make money on YouTube in 2025, step by step. Let's get started. Alright, first things first, we gotta figure out what you're gonna bless the world with on your channel. This is what we call finding your niche. Think of it like this. What gets you so fired up that you could talk about it for hours? Gaming? Teaching people how to do crazy stuff? Reviewing the latest tech? Now here's the thing. You don't just want a niche, you want a niche that's on fire. And guess what? In 2025, some of the hottest niches out there are all about AI, YouTube Shorts, making money online, and helping people level up their lives. AI and tech are blowing up right now. People are going wild for AI-generated content, automation tools, and anything that feels futuristic. If you can break down complex tech stuff in a way that's easy to understand, you're golden. YouTube Shorts, my friends, this is where it's at. Think TikTok-style videos, but on YouTube. Short, sweet, and super addictive. If you can create content that grabs attention in the first few seconds, you can blow up fast. Now, everyone wants to know how to make money online, right? If you've got side hustles, online businesses, or any way to help people earn some extra cash, share that knowledge. This niche is always in demand. And last but not least, we've got education and self-improvement. People are always looking for ways to learn new skills, improve themselves, and live better lives. If you're an expert in something, share your wisdom. Here's a pro tip from yours truly. Use tools like Google Trends, TubeBuddy, and VidIQ to see what's trending right now. These tools will show you exactly what people are searching for, so you can create content that's in high demand. Trust me, it's a game changer. And remember, the key to success is not just finding a niche, but finding one that you are passionate about, and that has a growing audience. So, take your time, do your research, and pick a niche that you can dominate. Happy creating. Okay, so you've got your niche locked in, now it's time to create some killer content. This is where the magic happens, and trust me, it's not as daunting as it seems. And before you freak out thinking you need a Hollywood studio, chill. You don't need $1 million budget to make something amazing. You can start with what you've got. Seriously, your smartphone is a powerful tool. The key is to focus on quality. It's not about having the best gear, but making the best use of what you have. Now, I'm not saying you need to drop thousands on a fancy camera, but you do need decent video and audio quality. A clear picture and crisp sound can make a world of difference. Good news is, most smartphones these days can shoot pretty amazing video, especially if you've got good lighting. Lighting can elevate your content from amateur to professional. Speaking of lighting, natural light is your best friend. It's free, it's flattering, and it's easy to find. Set yourself up near a window and let that sunshine in. It can make your videos look vibrant and engaging. And for the love of all that is good, please, please, please get yourself a decent microphone. Audio quality is often overlooked, but it's crucial. No one wants to listen to your video if the audio sounds like you're recording in a wind tunnel. Bad audio can turn viewers away faster than bad video. Once you've got your footage, it's time to edit. This is where you can really make your content shine. Don't worry, you don't need to be a professional video editor. Basic editing skills can go a long way. There are tons of free and easy-to-use editing software options out there, like CapCut and DaVinci Resolve. These tools can help you create polished, professional-looking videos. Here's a pro tip. Keep your intros short and sweet. Get to the point quickly. You've got about 5 seconds to grab someone's attention before they click away. Make those seconds count. Jump right into the good stuff and keep them hooked. Your content should be engaging from start to finish. Alright, you've got your awesome content ready to go, but just uploading it isn't enough. You need to make sure people can actually find it, and that's where YouTube SEO comes in. YouTube SEO is like a superpower that makes your videos magically appear at the top of search results. Think of it like this. YouTube SEO is like a superpower that makes your videos magically appear at the top of search results. The first step to SEO domination is crafting power titles. Your title is the first thing people see, so you gotta make it count. Use keywords that people are actually searching for and make it super clear what your video is about. For example, instead of a boring title like My YouTube Journey, try something like How to Start a YouTube Channel in 2025, Step-by-Step Guide. See the difference? It's specific, it's attention-grabbing, and it tells people exactly what they're gonna get. Next up, we've got thumbnails. Thumbnails are like mini movie posters for your videos. They need to be eye-catching and make people want to click. Use bright colors, bold text, and don't be afraid to show some emotion. A smiling face can go a long way. And finally, don't forget about hashtags and tags. These are like little signposts that tell YouTube what your video is about. Use a mix of broad and specific keywords that are relevant to your content. Remember, the goal is to make your video as discoverable as possible. The more people who find your video, the more views, likes, and subscribers you'll get. So take the time to optimize your titles, thumbnails, and tags. It's worth the effort. And there you have it. With these tips, you're well on your way to mastering the art of YouTube SEO. Happy uploading. Remember, consistency is key. Keep applying these strategies to every video you upload, and you'll see your channel grow over time. So go ahead, start optimizing, and watch your YouTube channel soar to new heights. Good luck and happy creating. Use bright colors, bold text, and don't be afraid to show some emotion. A smiling face can go a long way. And finally, don't forget about hashtags and tags. These are like little signposts that tell YouTube what your video is about. Use a mix of broad and specific keywords that are relevant to your content. Chapter 4. Let's talk about the algorithm, that mysterious force that decides which videos get seen and which ones fade into oblivion. The good news is, you can totally work with the algorithm to boost your channel. And the secret sauce is consistency. The more consistent you are with your posting schedule, the more YouTube will reward you. It tells the algorithm that you're a reliable source of awesome content, and it'll start showing your videos to more people. So what's the magic formula? For long-form videos, aim for 1 to 2 videos per week, and for YouTube Shorts, go all out. 3 to 5 shorts per week is the sweet spot. Now I know what you're thinking. MrBeast, that's a lot of content. And you're right, it is. But here's a pro tip: batch record your videos. Set aside a day or two to film a bunch of videos at once, then edit them and schedule them to go live throughout the week. This will save you so much time and stress in the long run. Chapter 5. Here's the thing about YouTube. It's not just about the views, it's about the people. Building a strong community around your channel is one of the most rewarding things you can do. Plus, it's a surefire way to skyrocket your growth. Engagement is key. When people comment on your videos, reply to them. Show them that you're listening and that you care about what they have to say. Ask questions in your videos to spark conversations and get people talking. Create polls and Q&A videos specifically for your audience. For example, you could ask, "What's your biggest YouTube goal?" Comment below. This not only gives you valuable insights into what your audience wants to see, but also makes them feel like they're a part of something special. Chapter 6. Alright, let's talk about the money. Once you've built up your audience and you're consistently pumping out awesome content, there are tons of ways to monetize your channel and start bringing in some serious cash. First up, we've got YouTube ads. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program and start earning money from ads that play on your videos. Next, we've got sponsorships. As your channel grows, brands will start reaching out to you to promote their products or services. This is a great way to earn a significant income from your channel, especially if you have a loyal and engaged audience. Then there's affiliate marketing. This is where you partner with brands and include special links to their products in your video descriptions. When someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. It's a win-win. And let's not forget about memberships and super chats. These are ways for your most dedicated fans to support you directly. Memberships offer exclusive perks like badges, emojis, and behind-the-scenes content, while super chats allow viewers to have their messages highlighted during live streams. Outro. Listen, I'm not gonna lie. Building a successful YouTube channel takes hard work, dedication, and a whole lot of hustle. But trust me, it's totally worth it. Remember, every single YouTuber you idolize, from MrBeast to PewDiePie, they all started with 0 subscribers. They all had to grind, they all had to overcome challenges, and they all had to keep pushing even when it felt tough. So, what's the key to success? It's simple. Never give up. Keep learning, keep experimenting, keep creating the content you're passionate about, and most importantly, never ever ever give up on your dreams. Remember, every big YouTuber started with 0 subscribers. MrBeast made over 100 videos before getting noticed. PewDiePie uploaded for years before hitting it big. The key to success? Keep learning, keep posting, and never give up. Like and subscribe if you found this helpful. Comment, what's your YouTube goal for 2025? See you in the next video.